Good morning children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How's it going children? Are you okay? You have gone through the last notes. Multiplication and division you have done the problems. Okay, very good. I believe all of you were completed the notes. Today we will do only two problems from multiplication and division. You know how to divide the number with one digit number? Is it very easy? So let us do the problem. You don't forget to send the review test questions daily. Okay. Here, first question is 1 kg of cashews costs rupees 850. Find the cost of 6 kg of cashews. You read the question. 1 kg of cashews costs rupees 850. Find the cost of 6 kg of cashews. That means the cost of 1 kg cashews. Cost, you know what is the cost? Cost means the amount of rupees or the money we want to pay to the shopkeeper while we bought anything from the shop. Is it? Cost means the money or the rupees that we want to pay to the shopkeeper while purchasing an item. Okay, that is very familiar word in most of the word problem. You have seen this word costs. Okay, so we can do the problem. Here it is giving that cost of 1 kg of cashews. We have to calculate the cost of 6 kg of cashews. 1 to many. 1 kg to 6 kg. So the operation you calculated in your mind. Here if you have gone through the question, you got the answer. You are very brilliant children. Here the operation is multiplication. But we have to write the steps. Because sometimes you may get mistake if you do manually without writing the steps. So we can write the first step. What is the first step from the question? 1 kg of cashews cost ₹850. From this first sentence, we can write first step. Cost of 1 kg of cashews equal to ₹850. Understood? For the next step, again we go through the question. Find the cost of 6 kg of cashews. So what will be the next step? The cost of 6 kg of cashews. That should be the required answer. So here cost of 6 kg of cashews. 1 kg 850. If cost of 1 pen is 2 rupees, what will be the cost of 3 pence? You know that 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. Like that. Here cost of 6 kg of cashews is equal to 850 into 6. 6 kg therefore into 6. That we are multiplied in the working column. 850 into 6. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into any number, 0. 0 into 10, 0. So 0 into 6, 0. Next, tens digit 5. 5 into 6, 5 into 6, 30. 30. Once digit we will write here. Next digit 3 here. Balance 5 into 6, 30. 0, 3. Then 0. Next, hundreds place. 8 into 6, 48. This balance should be added. 48 plus 3, 49, 50, 51. So, 48 plus 3, 51. So, the answer is 5,100 rupees. 5,100. 100. This answer should be copied to the main part of your exercise sheet. Okay, so the answer is 5100. You understood the method? Okay. We can do next problem. Question 2. In a garden, 480 saplings were planted equally in 32 rows. While reading the question, there is some words you have to give importance. So, equally, this word should be given an importance. How many saplings were planted in each row? 32 rows given. Each row you have to calculate. Many to 1. Operation division. Sit. Many items were given. You have to calculate one item. That means division is the operation. Again, we will think of the steps. First sentence. In a garden, 480 saplings were planted equally in 32 rows. So, how many saplings were there? 480. So, first step, total number of saplings, 480. First, the columns you draw like this, that is. Next step, again we will check the question. Next step will be total number of rows, 32. 32 rows. What is the question? How many saplings were planted in each row? Therefore, the number of saplings in one row. Each row we converted into one row. That means 480 division 32. Then we will go for calculation in the working order. 480 division 32. We wrote like this. First digit 4. 4 is less than 32. 4 is less than 32. So we will take the next digit and together we will make the number 48. 32 out of 48. How many times? 32 into 2 is 64. 32 into 2 64. So, one time only we can take 32 from 48. So, we wrote here 1. Again, division 1 into 32. Next we will multiply 1 into 32. 32. Subtracting 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Then next digit down 0. Then this number together will become 160. Next we will check 32 out of 160 how many times. For that we will multiply. Otherwise we will use the brain quickly. Then understand 32 16. 16 is the half of 32. We know 32 into 10 320. It's a half 160. If you don't calculate in such a way, no problem. You go in this way. 32 into 4 128. But here 160. Then 4 after 5 we will check 32 into 5 multiplying 2 into 5 10. 1 balance 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16. So, 32 out of 160 is 5 times. So, we will write here this 5 into 32 160. Then we subtract, we will get 0. Therefore, the quotient is 50. Remainder is 0. So, we will write the answer 15. What is the quotient? 15. So, we can plant 15 saplings in one row. That is the answer. Okay, children, you are problem we used multiplication. Children, so you go through the questions. Only 2 questions we have done here. That questions you should copy to the notes, and if you are interested, you can do more problems yourself. send the review test. Thank you, children.